Alright, today we got a brand new Apple TV. Now this is the second generation 4K Apple TV from 2021, and in this video we're going to unbox it, talk all about it, and see all the features and stuff that it can do. And so, let's get into it. Alright, and so as you can see right here, we have the Apple TV right up top. Here we have the redesigned Siri remote. As you can see, we have the Apple logo on the back, and we have it in a bit of plastic here. And I gotta say, right off the bat, the Siri remote feels really nice, heavy duty, and nice and sturdy, made of metal, which is nice. And then here we have our Apple TV, which we can take off the plastic around it. And as you can see, it's a very compact, very nice looking design. We have one more at the bottom. Now the newest one, the 2022, is a bit smaller than this, but as you can see, this is very small already. On the back, we have the power, the HDMI, and the Ethernet port. And so we'll put that aside for now. And in the rest of the box, we have our paperwork. So as you can see, it's our usual books. We can put that to the side. And we do have 2 Apple stickers, which is really, really nice. And what's left is a Lightning to USB-A cable so that we can charge our Siri remote. And so I'm going to pause the video, we're going to get it all set up, and then we'll see what we can do. And we also have our AC power cord here, which will power our Apple TV. Alright, so let's take a look at the Siri remote. So on the Siri remote, you have this Siri button on the side. As you can see, a nice new feature is you have a power button. You have your wheel, which is actually touch capacitive, so you don't actually have to click all the way down. You have the back button, I'm not sure what that is, probably a cast, the play and pause, mute, and volume up and down. So overall, it's a very, very nice remote, and as you can see, it charges via Lightning. Alright, and so as we set up our Apple TV here, you can see the languages. Obviously, we choose English. We are in Canada. We are going to press continue here, and you can either set it up with your phone or you can set it up manually. We'll go ahead and set it up with our phone. So as you can see here, we have a notification pop up that says set up your Apple TV, and if we click continue, we get a authentication code, which we just type in on the screen there, and then it begins to set up our Apple TV. Now that we have the Apple TV all set up, we can choose whether or not we want to require a password when we download new apps or buy things. We can import our settings from our iPhone so that way it's all synced up, which I will do. And then it's going to ask if you have a TV provider, if you have cable or anything like that. We're just going to press not now. It's then going to ask where this Apple TV is located, whether it's the bedroom, guest room, entertainment, game room. This will be in the game room. And then you can choose your screensaver. I chose all the worlds. You can choose to share analytics. I chose not to. And then you accept the terms and conditions. Then you can either try Dolby Vision or not. The way I have it set up actually is that I have it standard in 4K SDR, and then I have match dynamic range on, which then switches it, because sometimes if you leave it on Dolby Vision, the SDR content sometimes looks very brightened up. And so that's the way that I do it. As you can see here, we have it all set up now. We are in the main settings. As you can see here, it says update TVOS to join your home. So we'll go ahead and update that now, and I'll see you as soon as it's done. And so a cool feature that you can do with your Apple TV is called adjust color balance. And you can actually do this by using the true depth camera on your iPhone by turning it towards the TV, and then it will automatically try and adjust the color. So as you can see here, the notification comes up, the TV goes there, and I put my iPhone right in front of it. And as you can see here, it goes through a bunch of colors to try and get the balance right. And then once it's done, it then registers, and it does a cool animation like that. And then we can compress, continue, and then it shows you the original and the color balanced. I actually found that the original looked a bit better to me, and so I kept the original, but it is still a great useful feature that Apple has added. And so overall, I really do enjoy this Apple TV. I think it's a great addition to my collection because I'm able to use it with my AirPods Max, all of my Apple stuff, and it connects seamlessly across all of my devices. And so guys, thank you for watching. Please do go out and have a great day. Let me know down in the comments below whether or not you guys have an Apple TV or whether or not you guys are thinking of getting one. Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we shall see you in the next one.